You are part of the new change. You have gone into environments, into towns and cities whereby people were conditioned to a certain way of being, and that's fine. But with you being around, you shed light to what could be. Many friendship groups, associations were built under falsities. People were incongruent. People were inauthentic. Your authenticity shed light to the corruption that you were surrounded by, and you may have been met with backlash. Who do they think they are? Why are they here? Let's run them out. Just because of you merely existing, just because you chose and still continue to choose to walk in your truth. You shed light to what it looks like to be true to yourself, to live life on your own terms, not to succumb to appease the masses. You're surrounded by a lot of followers. You are a leader. And some of these people have tried to push you out of organizations, of companies, groups, teams, especially for some of you if you work in a competitive environment. People see you as a threat. People know that your energy brings change. You set the standard of what is supposed to be moving forward. So yeah, you got a lot of people working behind the scenes to try and sabotage you, and they still could be trying to do it now, but it's backfiring. They're trying to fight the energy of change. They're trying to compete with the planets, but you're here to stay, and they're going to have to deal with it. Many people slept on you. Many people felt like they didn't know what box to put you in. So you may have found that you clashed with a lot of people in certain corporations. People were threatened and could still be threatened by your outspokenness, the way you stand in your power. It's too raw. It's too rare. You force people into healing. You shed light to the injustice that surrounds them, the manipulation that surrounds them, and those that have benefited off control and power. They fear you because they know that with you around, things will never be the same again. With you around, people that they had control over will no longer be controlled. And they cannot silence you. So what they try and do is align with others to try and come up against you because you're too powerful. And they've tried to destroy you. They've tried to act as if you were operating in the same energy that they operate in. I'm hearing something, butterflies. Just saw the Hierophant card. You have spirit on your side. It's a losing battle. The more they try and gain new allies to defeat you, the more they destroy themselves. People can't work you out. You are connected to galactic beings for some of you. You have the support of your ancestors, your guides that keep you on the right path. You're here to shed light to the wrongdoings that is going on around others. That's why some people don't like you. And some of you don't even have to say anything. It's just you walking in your purpose, you leading by example. It highlights that you are the true embodiment of what true strength looks like. Strength doesn't have to come from being a bully, being overt and corrupted, being loud. That's not true strength. In some cases, if you have to talk your truth, your voice may raise. That's normal. But I'm talking about those that have tried to minimize you. Those that have tried to convince people that you are not the truth, that you shouldn't be here, wherever that here is. They will never be able to defeat you, because what you possess is very rare. And that's why they feel like each time they try to take you down, you seem to outsmart them. And in some cases without even trying, because you are standing in your light. You deal with the truth. You deal with togetherness. You deal with love. You deal with healing self and others. And by you being in this energy, it highlights the disastrous environment that a lot of people were surrounded by. It highlights that a lot of people who claim to be in positions of power, that are there to help, they're actually here to hinder. Their time is up, and they know their time is up. You are here to bring change in regards to who people see as beautiful or handsome. You have a unique beauty. That's universal, and that, I should say, many people say, for instance, you're dating a person, they may not have dated someone like you before. You are the new standard now, and many people don't like it, but they're going to have to live with it, because you are the empress, whether you are